Fronius is just a different, it's a different way of how they invert their technology from Europe, and that's one thing that we're looking at, because we have to be able to have that technology to weld these tanks to make sure they're done properly and correctly. Fronius controls the speed of the wire and the arc both, so virtually this gives the operator a lot more control over the puddle, so you have less spatter, less fume, and less fatigue on your body. A lot of times when you're welding with conventional MIG, your body will get fatigued because your arms will end up doing a lot of different motions. With pulse welding, you can get it set up and let the welder do the work for you. People want to use a machine that is good and not, technology-wise and easy to run. You want to make it easier for the operator, safer, and have a high-quality product at the end of the day. Pulse welding's been around a long time, but this Fronius machine for aluminum, I think, has really got some opportunities for us.